Now let's come back to AFL language and let's see some more examples. Another useful indicator or signal to trade, we can say, is a breakout, which means that price is breaking a certain level. Usually we are talking about breaking some previous high, like here. So first we have to identify a high, which the price might break, and then we have to watch the price, whether it breaks the high or not, within a certain period. Let's consult the documentation and see if it can help us. Let's jump to this page, and here we got two lists of AFL functions. One is alphabetical, one is categorized. We saw the alphabetical ones, and now for change, let's see the categorized list. Categorized means that it is grouped based on functions or based on the topics like basic price patterns, composites, date and time. I already showed this in previous chapter. I search for a word by holding Ctrl and pressing F. And then I search for high, and by pressing Enter, I'm moving through the list, and here I get a nice cluster of functions, lowest, highest. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm interested in the first one, highest high value. Even though there are other interesting functions like bars, number of bars since highest high, or just highest value, bars since highest value, doesn't need to be high, and other. But now let's see the highest high. Here we can see how to use it. The first parameter is an array, open, high, low, close, and the other is a constant. We read the statement as highest value in a period. You can see it in the example here, that it doesn't have to be always highest high, but it can be as well highest close or highest open. Okay, let's stick with highest high. Back to editor. So our editor, analysis, edit, and let's create a new one. File, new, or this blank icon, and let's call our indicator as high to break equals the function HHV. We are following high. The period will be, let's say, 10, semicolon, and let's draw it in our chart, plot. The array will be the high to break, high to break. In the chart, I wanted to see it as high to break and color red, semicolon. AnyBroker does the formatting, which means the plot with capital P, color red with capital R. Let's just leave this to the formatter and save it. Save. And again, apply it to our chart. And this is our indicator. So how to read this? AmiBroker keeps displaying also our outside bar which currently we don't need to see, so I can right click in this area and close it. And we are left with our high to break indicator. So let's start at any bar, let's say this high here, and again, the indicator is constructed like this. For every bar, it calculates, it goes back 10 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it tells me what is the highest high of the last 10 bars, including the current one. So for when I am here, the high is more or less, okay, the high is, it tells me this window, the high is 52.8448. And if I go to the window of the indicator, again, I'm waiting for this small pop-up window, and it tells me that the high to break is 52.8448, which is exactly the high of this bar. So this is the highest high of the last 10 bars. And it will keep like this, it will keep this value for 10 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it recalculates. And the highest bar at this moment, the highest value, the highest high of last 10 bars is not this one anymore, is this one. If I go to this section, I'm waiting for this window to pop up, and I can see that the high is 52.78. And let's go back to this window, this box, and the window tells me that high to break is 52.78. So it's related to this high. And it goes like this. Anywhere I choose, it calculates the last 10 bars, the highest high of the last 10 bars, including the current bar. So again, here at this bar, it tells me that the highest high is high of this candle, because it is the highest in the last 10 bars. High 53.3493. Is that correct? High to break is 53.3493. So it works like this.